Hello, now I'm going to demonstrate how to use for loops. What is for loops? Loops are used to repeat a block of code. Being able to have your program repeatedly execute a block of code is one of the most basic but useful tasks in programming. Many programs or websites that produce extremely complex output are really only executing a single task many times. Now, think about what this means. A loop lets you write a very simple statement to produce a significantly better result simply by repetition. Now I'm going to demonstrate how to use for loops. I'm going to give you an example. First, we are going to declare a variable. We declare I as a loops variable, and we are going to use num as number and total for the result. First, we're going to printf the instruction. Let's say enter a number. Secondly, we scan the number and store inside the num. Now we are going to use for loops. In the first column, we are going to declare I as number 1. And the second column, we are going to declare I is smaller than the number. In the third column, we are going to increase the I by 1 as I++. Now we're going to type the result. So now we're going to print out the output by using printf. And return 0. Now we are going to compile and run. So here's the output. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Ken. Now I'm going to show the second example for loop. Now I'm going to declare the variable I. Num1, num2, and result. Now this is for loop. I equal to 0. I less than 4. And I++. Then we need to display enter two integer numbers.
Threat has been detected.
Now we need to store num1 and num2. N% num1 and N% num2. Then the result is equal num1 plus num2. Then need to display the result. At last we need to put return O. Return 0, sorry. Sorry, I need to run first. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Now I want to pass to next person.
Hi, my name is Ben and I'm going to present the third example for loop. First, we declare the variables first, row and column. Next, we enter to the for loop. Row equals to 0, row less than 3, and row plus plus. And another for loop for column. Column equals to 0, column less than 4, and column plus plus. Now we are going to print out the output, the star. And print out another printf /n. And now return 0. Now we are going to compile and run. Thank you for watching.
Hi everyone, my name is Tae Kai Yi. Now I'm gonna show you the example of for loop. For loop combines three elements, which is initialization statement, volume expression, an increment or decrement statement. For loop is also counter control, meaning that they are normally used whenever the number of iteration is known in advance. Now I'm going to show you the for loop syntax. First we start and go to declare counter and evaluate condition. If the program is wrong, you go to the execute statement, then go to increment counter. If the program is wrong, we will repeatedly until it's right was correct, the result will come out. Now I'm gonna show you another example. This is another example of the for loop, and this is the for loop code. First we declare I equal to 0, then the condition was I smaller than 5. If the statement is true, the output and continue looping until the I is greater or equal to 5. When I equal or greater to 5, it will bring up the final output, then return 0. Now I will show you the example of simple for loop. First, this is the simple start of the program. We declare a local variable initialization times equal 5. Then we will for loop execution for then printf assignment return 0, the last part. It will run out the assignment 1, assignment 2, then 3 and 4. Just continue it. It is possible to initialize multi-variable in the initialization block of the for loop by separating it by comma. I'll show you the example. It is also possible to have more than one increment or decrement section. Oh, nice. That's all for my for loop explanation. Thank you.